welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record and auto transcribe meetings in Zoom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to record and auto transcribe meetings in Zoom, all you can do is simply go to Zoom. Once you're in your Zoom, all you gotta do now is simply go to Zoom's web portal and navigate to settings. Once you're in your settings, you need to click the recording button. Now, you need to simply ensure cloud recording is toggled on. On the cloud recording section, check the box for audio transcript and click on save if prompted. So after you have done this, you need to record your meeting as well. In your Zoom meeting, all you can do is simply go and join a meeting. Once you have joined the meeting, you can find the record to the cloud option right over there. After you have done this, notify the participation that the meeting is being recorded, and this way you can record and auto transcribe meetings in Zoom. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.